What's up, folks? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. Today, I figured I'd take this video outside. It's such a beautiful day in February down in Georgia, Marietta, Georgia to be exact. Alright, so the topic of this video is basically multiple streams of income. Everybody wants to have multiple streams of income. Everybody wants to make, money on this program, money in that program, because you never want to pigeonhole yourself to making money with just an MLM or network marketing opportunity or this or that, right? You want to make sure you always have income, especially if you're doing network marketing full time, because if you're a network marketer full time, you don't want to go back to working 9 to 5. Trust me, there's no reason in your life, in this world, you would want to go back to a 9 to 5 if you're making $5,000, $10,000 all online, okay, monthly. All right. So, with that being said, let me break it down to you. How to create a multiple stream of income online. This is the part 1 of the video. This is the intro. I'm gonna get more in depth with my part 2, but this one I just want to break down. All right. So, you're in one MLM or network marketing opportunity, and you see another one that you're interested in, but you're saying to yourself, I don't want to throw people off. I'm on Facebook promoting this one thing, and I don't want people to wonder why I keep jumping out to this one, jumping out to that one, and yada yada yada, right? And you want to make sure that it works for you. So what you need to do, this is the number one thing. You have to build a list. You have to build an email list, because that's the only way you'll be able to create on multiple streams of income. All right, and there's ways to create this multiple streams of income with the email list. But the way to do that is you have to focus each list for each business opportunity. It's really that simple. So with that being said, if you want to really just jump ahead and not wait for number 2 video, because all I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a little bit, but not a lot, of how to do it. And what you need to do is, if you're willing to just jump ahead, click the link below. All right? This product will show you everything you need to know on how creating traffic in different income streams and creating income in all of them almost at the same time. I don't care if you're a newbie. I don't care if you've been in this game for a while. I don't care if you're a big time MLMer or whatever. If you want to know how to create multiple streams of income and you don't know how to do it, the product is for you. So click the link below and get started today. All right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.